I'm going to show you how to rebuild the trigger valve for a Rug Doctor V10. This is what the trigger valve looks like. This is what the trigger valve looks like from an RV or an EB VB12. This is the older Rug Doctor. It was held on with the hose clamp. The V10 is held on with a stainless steel bolt. It's very difficult to get these. We do stock these, and you can use these in a V10. But we have the trigger kits. They tend to leak. They wear after a while. You use a 9/16 box wrench and take this out. The spring will come out, and then this plunger comes out. Sometimes it's stuck in there, and you can use a pin to push it through or grab it with the needle nose. However, it's important to notice, now this one's a little different. It has a little metal spacer and two O-rings. Normally, they come with a larger metal spacer and one O-ring. If this O-ring will not come out, you just use a straight pin or a paper clip and push it in sideways and you'll get it out. One thing you have to be careful of, if it's an old one and you try backing it off, I've actually had these break off inside, and so you'll have to use an easy out or a screwdriver and try to back it out yourself. But we do have the kits available, the plunger, the little washer along with the spring. And if you'd like to order one, you can contact us directly at 1-800-708-1157, or you can email us at sjclean@netzero.com, or of course you can go to our webpage at www.carpetexpress.biz. I hope you found this video helpful.